watching. Welcome back. Today I wanted to do a what's inside my IPSY GLAM bag. The theme for the glam bag is the same as the BoxyCharm for January, which is a clean slate. Welcome to 2025, where living in the moment calls for a return to the basics, only better than ever. I feel like I'm embodying that this year. If you want to watch my BoxyCharm unpacking, it's right here. This is what's inside the January glam bag. It's a super cute, like, blue bag with this almost like a wax seal button. So this glam bag has 5 trial size products. First is the Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Recovery Cream. It's an anti-aging moisturizer. Ooh, it's super thick. It smells really good. It smells like very clean. The theme, I guess so. Then we have the Glow Recipe Plump Plump Hyaluronic. I guess it's just... Okay, so this is for chapped lips. It's a hyaluronic little lip balm. Then we have the SLATE Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Tempt Me. Ooh, Tempt Me. So it's this little tiny guy. See that? And cute. It's like a very shiny peachy color. This would look really cute with what I have on today. Super cute. I think this is a full size. So then we have the HD Smoothing Primer, Bella Pierre. Lastly is the Memoir Candy Shop. I think this is a fragrance. Apple Blossom, Sweet Pear, Rock Candy, and Whipped Vanilla. I hope this is a gourmand type smell, because in the BoxyCharm there was a Gloss Modern, which was such a luxurious feeling product. This one's a little cheapy, it's like plastic. The Gloss Modern was so beautiful, but the smell just wasn't for me. I still have it on, it's like very powdery. Anyways, this one, let's give her a go. It smells like pink sugar. Do you remember that fragrance, pink sugar? That's exactly what this smells like. And that is what was in my January IPSY Glam bag for January 2025. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.